Now if this they are asking, let's solve this question 3-26. In this question, let's find out the remaining three column values. And at 80 degrees Celsius, or the pressure is 500 kilopascal. So if you go to this pressure table A-5, and then you will see at 500 kilopascal what is the saturation temperature uh, of the pressure table. What is the saturation temperature? So I'm gonna mark the point here. So over here, if you take a look at 500 kilopascal, the saturation or the boiling point is 151, and over here this temperature is less than the boiling point given, so it is falling into the compressed liquid stage because this temperature is less than the saturation temperature. So I'm gonna show you that where is that this compressed liquid stage is over here. So what you will do, you will go to the compressibility table, which is A-7 in our book at the end. So I'm going to show you how would you read this table here. So if you take a look here, so I can show you. Now over here we are looking at 80 Celsius. So if you take a look, 80 Celsius, the value H is 338.96, 338.964 for H. And X quality, there is no quality when the liquid is falling in the compressibility compressed liquid state, and the phase is compressed liquid. So this is your answer. So you might be asking, Professor, this pressure is 5 megapascal, but our pressure is 5 kilopascal. So for compressibility liquid, so you will ignore that pressure value over here. So it's not gonna deviate much if you consider this. Now let's consider the fourth line. How are we going to complete this remaining values here? So let's see, read the table A-5 and see, you have to draw the rectangle in order to solve, is just to focus these values. So at 800 kilopascals, the H value has been given to us, so I will just focus on this H value. So Hg will tell me whether our liquid is falling into the liquid vapor line or superheated region. So if you consider this one, this is much more than our H value. Our H value is greater than H at the dry vapor line. So the dry vapor line is here, so our H value is somewhere here, so it is in the superheated vapor. And this value is we don't have X value for this one. And the temperature, so let's find out the superheated vapor. So I'm gonna show you the superheated vapor. So the table is A-5 6. So let's consider this one here is 800 Celsius, so 800 kilopascals. So I'm gonna show you the 800 kilopascal is 0.8. So I'm gonna show you this one. So this is 0.8 megapascal, which is equal to 800 kilopascals. So at this pressure, so what is our temperature? The temperature, given temperature we do not know, but we know that 3162 is H value. So I'm gonna show you the values here. So H value, we are looking at 3162. So what you have to do, you have to mark here 316. You see this point. So the temperature is on the left hand side, so let me cut and paste from the book here. So it is the temperature here, it is so it is 350 Celsius. So this is our answer for the third the final row, 350 Celsius. That's how you will find out the unknown values from the table.